Right, hi guys, I thought you might like to see a video on an unboxing of a Rebel 215. This is brand new. I've opened the top to make it a bit easier for video. This out come from the factory. This has come direct from Belgium. Wrapped in polythene, Rebel branded box. Tells you what you get with it. First box, return lead, electrode holder, MIG torch. It's an MXL 250, please. So I'll open this, we'll see what's in here. Cut all this open. Pretty well sealed up, these things. Right. Okay, so first box. So Arista rod 1250.8, that's standard wire that comes with these machines. 250 amp in fact. Return lead, handy 200 electrode holder, really like that design. And an MXL 200 torch, is that? Yeah, MXL 200 torch. I'm guessing that's probably an MB15, MB25 size, the smaller shrouds. You get some aluminium feed roll in there and some different guide tubes, different diameter wire, 0.6. So I'll take this out and then I'll take the foam out. So now we're left with the power source box. Again, sealed inside the box, if you can see that. Take the Rebel out. Yeah. So, really small. I'm a size 11. Weighs, I don't know, 26 kilos, 25 kilos, I think, off the top of my head. With wire, I think that is. I think it's less without the wire. I'll tell you in a minute. So, a bit of a pain in the arse getting these out. Out of the box, all ESAB machines come with European plugs, which is actually really useful. Don't cut the Schuko plug off. Go on RS Components, get two Schuko female plugs, put a 110 and a 3-pin on, so that you've got lots of options. Because these are a multi-voltage machine and they're auto sensing. So that's how it comes out of the box. It's a nice packet of silica gel. Like that, all the plastic film in place. Gas hose. Little booklet on consumables and how to set up your Rebel for that wire. Single roller wire feed, like that. Some more settings on the inside for different plate thicknesses, but you can use SMIG as well, and you can program it in like that, or you can set up a manual MIG mag for whatever thickness you're doing. And that is about it. What I'll do quickly is sort of commission this machine, and I'll plug it in. I'll show you the Schuko connectors. And why you shouldn't cut that off, and that might be interesting to see.